afternoon, everyone. Okay, dear students, here Karadi sir welcome all of you to live online classes. And dear students from 6th class, I'm really happy to tell you that I have completed 2 prose sections and 2 poems. 2 poems. One poem, the name of the first poem was March. March poem we have completed, and then Trees. So here 2 poems. First one is a March, another one is a Tree. Trees. These 2 poems I have completed. Now 2 prose section also I completed. Dog finds his master. Dog finds his master and Good Samaritan. The name of the lesson is Good Samaritan. 2 lessons, 2 poems. So it is a time to discuss about grammar. So that's why again in between I took grammar also. So today again I just want to teach you grammar part, and whatever homework I have sent you, that homework need to be complete and English. Today's topic about grammar. Grammar part, okay? So dear students, here today's topic is prefix and suffix. So these 2 are very important because the question will come, and in grammar this is called affixes. This is prefix and suffix is known as affixes in English grammar. So now today we are going to learn what is a prefix and what is suffix. How to use a prefix and suffix to the root word. What is the meaning of root word? Root word. That also we will learn. So dear students, let's start today's lecture, prefix and suffix. So prefix means a word letter placed before root word. A word or letter. A word or letter. Prefix means what? This is the definition of prefix. A word letter placed before. Placed before root word. Before root word. Root word. This is called root word is called prefix. So this is the definition of prefix. So what is prefix? Prefix is a word or letter. Prefix is a word or letter placed before a root word. Placed before root word is called a prefix. So I will give you example, then only you can understand. So here prefix means what? A word or letter. A word letter placed before. Pre means what? Here prefix. Pre means what? Before. What is the meaning of pre? Pre means before. Pre means before. So a word letter placed before root word. Root word will be there, and before root word if any word or letter is placed Example I will tell you, then only you can understand. Example of a prefix. Example of a prefix. Root word means what? Root word means kind is a root word, main word. Kind is a main word. Kind is a root word. Kind. Okay. So if we use here unkind, this is the first example. Kind and unkind. Next example. Complete is a root word. If we use here incomplete. So in these two examples, here kind and complete. Here kind means what? Root word. Root means what? Main word. Root means what? Main word. Kind is a main word. Here in complete also, complete is a main word, root word. And prefix means a word or letter placed before root word. Before root word means what? Before kind, here we have used un. Before complete we have used in. This is called prefix. Understood beta? This is called prefix. Yes, no? So here prefix means a word, letter placed before root word is called prefix. Write down the definition and example. Write down definition and example. Write down definition and example. Don't tell anyone. Off your mic. Off your mic. Off your mic. Yes. So now this is called prefix. Example also I gave here two examples of prefix. Now here if we add prefix to before root word, we will get opposite word of that word. This is again important. If we add prefix before root word, we will get opposite word of that word, means of that root word. So opposite word means what? Here I will write. Opposite word means here dear students, opposite word you will get. For example, if I write here Planned. Planned is a word. Unplanned. Unplanned. This is the root word, this is the prefix. If I add here like, then this like will come. Like is a root word. This is the prefix. And if we add a prefix to the root word, we will get opposite word of root word. Like, dislike, planned, unplanned. Understood? Okay. So now list of prefixes. List of prefixes. I am going to write here list of prefixes. How many prefixes are there and that we can use before root word? That is called prefix. And here I am going to give you list of prefixes. So the list is un, in, ir, ill, dis, miss, over, under, then non. Then dear students, there are many im also is there. Im is a prefix, and then re, pre, and inter. So these are all prefixes. These are all prefixes. So dear students, write down list of prefixes. List of prefixes. Dhaneshwari, off your mic. Always your mic is off. On, huh? Oh, on your mic. One thing I told you, do not on your mic. Is this repeating 100 times? I told you, do not on your mic. Still you are just on your mic and disturb the class. If you want to speak something important, that time only turn on your mic. 100 times I told you, 100. Afnan, written list of prefix. List of prefix written or not?
Written, sir. I written, sir.
Lakshmi, why your mic is on? Off your mic. I asked the Afnan only. Okay. Afnan, read beta. Afnan, read all these prefix?
Yes, sir. An, in, ir, in, this, miss, over, under, non, re, pre, enter.
So list of prefix: an, in, ir,
I also.
ill, dis, miss, over, under, non, im, re, pre, inter. So one example I will tell you. One example I will tell you here. For example, if I take un means what? Unkind. Unkind is a unkind. Next, in means what? Incomplete. Ir means what? Irregular. Ill means what? Illegal. Dis means what? Dislike. Miss means what? Misunderstanding. Over means what? Overact. Then under means what? Underground. Yes, underground will not come. Wait. Underground will not come. So here overact will come. Then some you have to find out, like inter means international, national, international. Preschool. Yes, and mid also will come. Midway, midnight. So some words I have written here. Here I have used the prefixes to the root word. So these are all prefixes. So how to use the prefix and root words are kind, complete, regular, legal, like, understanding, act, national, school, way. These are all root words, and before the root word we have added here an, in, ir, ill, dis, miss, over, inter, pre, mid. This is called the prefix. Dear students, write down this list of words. Fast. Okay, completed, dear students. These are the examples of prefix. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, next type of affixes we are going to learn, and the affixes is next after the prefix. Suffix we are going to learn. Suffix we are going to learn. Suffixes. Write down. suffixes. Suffixes.
Sir, what is mean by suffixes, sir?
I will tell you, beta. Wait. Off your mic. Off your mic. Okay. The suffix means a word or letter. A word or letter, same prefix and suffix is same. A word or letter added at the end of the root word. Added at the end of root word to get new word, to get new form of word. This is called suffix. Suffix means what? A word or letter added at the end of the root word. End of the root word. Prefix means before root word. And suffix means what? End of, at the end of the root word. And why we add suffix? To get new form of word. To get new form of word. Write down definition. Definition, suffix, write down.
Right, sir.
A. A word or letter added at the end of root word to get new form of word is called suffix. Is called suffix. Jeet, read this definition.
Yes, sir.
Read this definition.
Yes, sir. A word or letter added at the end of root word to get new form of the word is called suffix.
Okay, very good. So dear students,
Sir, I will, sir.
Samiksha,
Sir, I will, sir.
Samiksha,
Sir, I
Samiksha,
will, sir.
Samiksha.
English grammar suffix, a word or letter added at the end of root word to get new form of word is called suffix.
A word or letter added at the end of the root word. For example, I will tell you. Now, in prefix, what we did? In prefix, we added before root word. Before means what? Here, unkind. Unkind we added. Before root word we added here. Here we added prefix. And suffix means what? Suffix means here kindly. Ly. Kindly. Ly is the suffix. Why? Because suffix, a word or letter added at the end of the root word. Added at the end of the root word to get a new form of word is called suffix. So now here, what is the new form of word? Kind is an adjective. Kind is an adjective. If we add ly, we will get kindly. we got a new form of word if we add suffix to the root word. A word or letter added to at the end of the root word. Kind is a root word. End of the root word. Ly, we added ly to get new form of word. Adjective became adverb. Adverb. Kindly. Kind, kindly. Kind, kindly. So, examples write down here, students, here of suffixes. Examples. First one, kind plus ly, kindly. Yes, no, kindly. And then beauty. Then beauty. Beauty plus FUL is equal to beautiful. Write down these two examples, beautiful and kindly. Dear students, understood suffix?
Yes, sir.
So, write these two examples of suffix. Write down these two examples of suffix. Kind, kindly,
Yes, sir.
kindly, and beauty plus FUL, beautiful. Beautiful. So, beauty is noun. Beautiful is adjective. Adjective.
Noun, adjective.
Okay. So now I will write here list of suffixes. List of suffixes. So dear students, list of suffixes I just want to write. First, ly. Second, ing. Third, nes. Fourth, tion. Fifth, ion. Sixth, sion. Seventh, ance. Eighth, ment. Nine, ence. 10. So there are many. Yes, students. FUL. Lace. FUL. ISH. And 14 OR. 14 OR. Okay. And then EN also. Students. Hood. En. So these are suffixes. List of suffixes. Write down, dear students, list of suffixes. Okay. ly, ing, nes, tion, sion, ance, ment, less, full, ish, or, hood, en. So now, who will read this list? Who will read? Vishal,
Sir,
off your mic.
sir.
Sanjana. Sanjana read. Sanjana.
I am read.
Sanjana read.
Sir, next I am read, sir.
Sanjana read first.
Sir, I read, sir. Sir, I, sir.
Preeti.
Sir, I, sir.
Preeti read. Preeti. Preeti.
Sir, I read, sir. I read, sir. Sir, I, sir.
Azim.
Sir, I, sir.
Azim read. Azim read.
Sir, I, sir, please. Sir, I, sir. Sir, I, sir. Sir, Afnan, sir, Afnan.
Afnan read beta.
Sir, Samiksha, sir.
Afnan read.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I lead in nest, shan, and science, and meant, and less, full, ish, er, or, food, in,
Very good.
Sir, I read.
So dear students, this is the list of suffixes, and these suffixes we can use at end of the root word. End. And prefix means what? Pre. Prefix means pre. Before the root word means prefix. After the root word means what? Suffix. So ly, ing, ne, nes, shen, ion, sion, ens, ment, n, less, full, ish, or would, n. So these are all a list of suffixes. Now how to write, how to use suffixes, let's learn. If I write here happy plus ly, happily,